In this video, I'm going to show you how to make or create a Microsoft account. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Microsoft Create Account. And then the first link is from account.microsoft.com and you want to click on it. And then you are on their official website, okay? So make sure it's account.microsoft.com/account/account yet again. And then over here, you will see it kind of shows off of what a Microsoft account can do for you, and then you want to click sign in down here, and then over here it says sign in, but below it says no account, create one, and you want to click create one over here. And in case you ever had an account, it's going to show up over here just like I do, but if you want to create another one, you want to click use another account, and then you will be asked to create an account yet again over here, and there we go. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to type in your email address. So in my case, I have a spare mail. I'm going to type it in. There we go. And you want to do the same. And then you want to press next. And then you want to create yourself a password. Okay, you can use a strong password via the Google. So Google will basically suggest a strong password, or you can just make one as you wish. So I'm going to just create a random password right now. Let's say it's gonna be that. There we go. And then you want to click next. There we go. And then you want to give in your name, of course. So in my case, I'm going to put in the instant and how to, because that's the name of this channel. But of course, you want to put in your real name and real username. Okay? I mean, real name and real surname. You want to click next. And then you want to select your country/region. Okay. So in my case, I'm going to select United States. And then you have your month of birth, and then day of birth, and then your year of birth. Okay, then you want to click next. There we go. And then you will have to verify your account. Now the way you do this is simply by going to your email, where there will be a code awaiting for you, and then you simply want to type that code in. Okay, so in my case, I'm just copying my code on the other monitor. There we go. And then you want to click next. And now once you've clicked next, it's going to ask you to create an account. Now then you will have to solve a puzzle so they know you're not a robot, but you are actually a human. So you want to click next over here, and then it's going to give you one of the kind of those things that will help you confirm you're actually human. So you just have to follow these instructions over here. So now I've done that, and the verification has been completed, and I've proven that I am a human who's creating this account, and it's not a bot. Don't worry, that's just a kind of a security service they have, and that's it. There you've got a quick note about your Microsoft account. You want to press next, and then OK. There we go. And that's it. You've successfully created your Microsoft account, and you can start using it for whatever you need. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out.